Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Novi Emilia Putri. Student ID number 2113022076. P6 Education Study Program, University of Lampung. I will explain the material about the meaning and impact of global warming. 1. Understanding global warming. Global warming is the average surface temperature increase because of excess concentration of greenhouse gas. That's the natural notion of global warming, Resources Defense Council. The effects of global warming also revolving the quality of human life. The cause of global warming is made up of various sources. This article on global warming will discuss the global warming, understanding the cause, effects, and how to address it. Global warming cannot be realized from phenomena air pollution in the world. Volume increase of carbon dioxide and gas another greenhouse was put out by the burning of fuel fossils, land openings, agriculture, and other human activities are believed to be a major source of global warming that has occurred over the past 50 years. Material 2 is impact of global warming. 1. Climate unstable. The impact of global warming among them is that the climate is become unstable. The climate is the average weather that covers vast areas of time, while weather is a state of air at one time in a relatively narrow area. The factors that affect climate and weather are the same as sunlight, temperature, air pressure, air humidity, wind, clouds, and rainfall. Global warming will cause the northern part of the northern hemisphere to warm up more than any other part of the earth. The result is that the iceberg now begin to melt, so that the land will collapse. There aren't many floating ice jumbles anymore. 2. Rising sea levels. The melting of polar ice has caused increased volume of seawater, resulting in increased volume of seawater. What happens when seawater rises? Of course, the waterfront will be submerged. When the ocean reaches the mouth of the river, flooding from the tide is inevitable. 3. Global temperatures tend to rise. If we imagine that white Earth had, there will be plenty of food to be produced, then the image is wrong. It might benefit from long periods of rainfall in some parts, but in other parts of the world it will have an extended summer. If snow in the desert areas desert farming that uses irrigation water from distant mountains might suffer if winter snowpacks, which have served as a natural reservoir, melt before the peak of the months of plenty. Not to mention that crops and forests may suffer greater attacks of insects and diseases. 2. Ecological interference. When the earth heats up, just as us humans are uncomfortable and so are other living beings. The warming affects this through life. Animals will migrate in search of cool place. Plants change their growth direction looking for place that support their growth. Endowed with reason, humans might do less heat than others. Animals and plants may end in extinction because they are unable to adapt. 5. Social and political impact. Erratic weather conditions led to the appearance of various maladies. For farmers, endless rain conditions can ruin the harvest, while prolonged heat can also make it difficult for them to start farming because of the scarcity of water supply. Had also set fires easily. Lots of fire spots daily burning. Forests in Indonesia have been burned frequently. To forest fire problem was difficult to find. That's an explanation of the meaning and impact of global warming. That is all and thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.